This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting a quick audio fix. First, confirm permissions and the simplest inputs. Go to Settings, Permit Microphone for Meet, and then open Meet's in-call menu to pick the audio source. Use a wired headset for a quick test. Why? Because it bypasses Bluetooth pairing issues and isolates the mic. Once done, mute/unmute twice to refresh the stream. If you see a prompt to allow mic when joining, accept it. Otherwise, the app can't send your voice to others. Next, check hardware and Meet settings more deeply. Make sure Bluetooth is connected to the correct device. If not, disconnect and repair. Bluetooth often flips to media output only. Inspect cables and headphone jacks for dirt or loose contact, because poor connection causes low volume or dropouts. Open Meet's three-dot menu, choose Settings, and explicitly choose the microphone device. Then restart the Meet app to load the change. Clearing the app cache can resolve corrupted temporary files that block audio access. To finish, reboot your phone. This reloads drivers and resets device audio routing, which often solves stubborn problems. After reboot, join a quick Meet or record a voice note to confirm the mic works. If audio is fixed, rejoin the meeting and monitor. If not, switch accounts or try safe mode to see if a third-party app blocks microphone access. One key tip: test with a different headset or another phone. That tells you whether the problem is the device, accessory, or Meet itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.